Amid the escalation at the line of actual control, India today has now accessed first set of satellite imagery to show you what the situation is on the ground. This first set of high-resolution satellite images on your screen since the preemptive operation by the Indian Army at the southern bank of Pangong Lake shows there's an extremely fluid situation even now at the LAC. These images reflect that while there are no visible signs of occupation of the peak of Helmet Top Mountain by either forces, you can clearly see the presence of a cluster of Chinese military vehicles and camouflaged tents at the bottom of the mountain. On the north bank of the lake, the Chinese army seems to have vacated some of the ridgeline positions at Finger 4, but new images also show that there are spots seen occupied by the PLA in earlier images but are now vacant. As earlier reported by India Today, the PLA has vacated, take a look at that, shores of Finger 4 areas, but continue to build, even now, additional infrastructure between Finger 5 and Finger 8 positions. Defense editor Abhishek Bhalla is in Ladakh right now. He's tracking all the latest. These images on our screens right now, Abhishek, precisely to show our viewers that you can't trust the Chinese, especially with infrastructure. They may have left the positions, isn't it correct? But they are going to try possibly to return. They're going to try and provoke India again.
There is a massive build-up, Pooja, in the last few days by the Chinese PLA, and they have brought in not just their troops, but also their weapon systems, including tanks and artillery guns, to some of the forward areas. But make no mistake about it, all this has been matched by the Indian side. And the frustration on the Chinese side is because since August 28, 29, 30th, when the Indian Army launched operations to hold on to some of the mountain heights, especially in the southern bank of Pangong Lake. Since then, multiple attempts have been made by the Chinese PLA to dislodge Indian troops, and that hasn't been successful. But I can tell you that the build-up is not just on the southern bank, but it's also on the northern bank. Ever since the last 2 days at least, a lot of activities have been noticed of Chinese movement, China building defenses. But as I said, that this is being matched. And from the Indian side, also there has been an enhancement of troop deployment, especially troops who are have an expertise at mountainous warfare. So those troops with that expertise are there in the forward locations where there is an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation.
But all this, while there have been ministerial level talks, whether it's the foreign minister or earlier the defense minister as well, there are top-level talks taking place already. There's a commander-level talks happening as well. Is there any change that we have seen due to those talks as well, or the situation is still very volatile on the border? Abhishek.
Pooja, the only change that we've seen after all these talks is escalation, and that's the irony of the discussions that have been taking place. In fact, just a day or two after the two defense ministers met in Moscow, we had this incident in...
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.